Alicia says, when I build my house, I'm wanting small wood burners in every bedroom, but I don't want to experiment. I want to set it up and forget about it. Is that possible? So, yeah, Alicia, it is possible. And that big, long rant I just gave you was really for the people who are building and tweaking and tinkering. But that is why, we have, why I have complete plans. It's entirely possible to just build a stove that others have built before, that you just goes in once and is one and done. And you can build them yourself, or my plans are really easy brick structures. So I've had a lot of customers hire a local mason, and with usually just a few email consults with me, where they're able to get a professionally built, beautiful stove that's a lifetime piece and doesn't need to be revisited. So it's absolutely possible. Keep in mind that a lot of my customers are DIY folks. And so a lot of what I'm targeting is going to be for those people who love to experiment, love to tweak, love to build things themselves, love to customize for their space, all those things. But it certainly doesn't mean that there aren't solid, tried and true, performance proven, tested designs that you can just install and leave and never go back to. And again, that goes back to some of our core materials and stuff too. Sometimes I talk about different core materials, but if you're building one for other people to use that you want to never maintenance again, we'd make some choices to build it that way. So there you go. Just hope that answers your question.